Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2007 F-150 XLT in Pueblo Gold with a brown tan interior, seating for 6, 4 doors, 2 regular, 2 smaller, with a 6.5-foot box. This has an XTR package, and that means that your bumper, grille, and running board have chrome on them. As well, it is a 4.6-liter V8 engine. It's an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. It also has a trailer tow package, which includes the trailer tow hitch. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted with manual lumbar, and there's your heated seat control. You also have one for the passenger. There's tilt and telescoping steering wheel, your lighting controls, and there's a grab handle in the body and also a running board to help you get in. On the face of it is your cruise control, as well as your dash controls. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages. Your odometer reading is to the right, and you also have an automatic shifter I should say, with overdrive, so you can turn that on and off by pressing it. And in the center you have a little place to put items. There's your auxiliary line in. As well, you've got a CD player, AM, FM for your media choices, and there's your buttons for volume and tuner, your menu, climate control, there's your fan, and your front defrost, AC. As well, you've got a cigarette lighter, and then you've got a place to put a couple of cups, and you can slide that back in, and there's a little bin down below. In the center you have an armrest with a couple of cup holders. You can also open this up for more storage, and then you just unclip on the side and lift this up, and you've got another seating position, and there is a seat belt there. Off to the side you have a 12-volt as well as a glove compartment, manually dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls. As well, you've got a sunglass holder and another grab handle on the passenger side to make it easier to get in. 18-inch wheels, chrome and magnetic running board, black door handle with keyless entry keypad, driver's side fuel cap. The black handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. And you've got a 4- and 7-pin connector and trailer hitch, as well as a locking spare tire. And then when you want to open up that tailgate, simply put your hand in the latch. Inside there's tie downs in all 4 corners. This is a 6.5-foot box, so quite a good size. And then you can just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. You have a little handle here. You just lift this up and then lift up the seat, and then you have room for items that you want to put in there. Plus you've got your jack. Then press it again, it'll go right down. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. There's slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and in the center you have a 12-volt as well as another couple of cup holders. Up above there's hooks and lighting, and in the back access to a sliding window. Bumper, 6.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows, powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.